Hello, everyone, and welcome to the New Year 21 Day Meal Prep Challenge. I'm so excited that you decided to join us in kickstarting a healthier, happier you for the new year to come. Over the next 3 weeks, we'll be diving into delicious, nutritious recipes that are perfect for meal prepping. You'll be able to cook a lot of the meals once and enjoy for days. We'll be focusing on healthy, local, and seasonal ingredients while building strong, sustainable habits to set you up for success in the new year. You'll get to share tips, progress, and questions with fellow challengers through our group chat feature because we're all in this together. The challenge officially starts on a Monday, but you'll get access to the recipes and grocery lists the Friday before so you can plan ahead. So let's get started and let's have fun, learn, and enjoy some incredible meals together. I can't wait to see what you'll cook up. See you soon.